To hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A07 means that you need to start by accessing recovery mode. If you don't know how to do so, I'll leave a video linked in the description down below taking you through that process. Once you're in recovery mode, use the volume down button to scroll through the different options until you find Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Go ahead and use the side button to select it, and then all you need to do is scroll down and select and highlight Factory Data Reset and use the side button to select it. Once you do this, every single bit of data on your phone will be erased. Bear in mind that if you do back up your device either to Google Drive or to Samsung Cloud, you will be able to restore it from there, as long as you have those accounts signed into your phone. If your SD card is also encrypted, any data on it will also be lost. So if you're okay with that, just press on the side button to select it and wait for your phone to go through that reset process. Once it's finished resetting, it will take you back to the home screen that you saw when you first started setting up your A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.